Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see some example about the simultaneous equation. In yesterday's session, I explained you about the simultaneous equation. What is meant by simultaneous equation? How to recognize the given equation is linear equation, and as well as two methods we saw. One is the elimination method and another one is a substitution method. Friends, today I am explaining you about the substitution and elimination method, some examples which are in practice set 1.1 question number 2nd. See student, yesterday also I explained this example. You have to tally your answer. You wrote in your notebook, so you tally your answer like this. In this way, every steps you have to write in your notebook. These two example I explained yesterday. Now the remaining example, how to solve the given simultaneous equation. How to solve the simultaneous equation. Now see student, that this is one is the question number 3rd. 2x minus of 3y is equal to 9. Okay, and 2x plus of y is equal to 13. This is the two equation. How to solve it? You can solve. Now listen, you can solve by the substitution method also, because a y having a coefficient 1, or you can solve by elimination also. How? Because 2x the coefficient of x is same. By simply subtracting you will cancel out the x term. So by your convenience you can use any method. Now see students, the solution of this equation. First equation is 2x minus of 3y is equal to 9, and second equation is 2x plus of y is equal to 13. By subtracting the equation second from third, first what you will get? After subtracting this 2x minus 2x cancel out, this plus y become a minus y, and therefore minus 3y minus y is equal to minus 4y, and therefore this minus 13 become a minus 13 plus of 9. This is plus 13. This become a minus 13. So minus 13 plus of 9, it is a minus of 4. And therefore y is equal to 1. By substituting y is equal to 1 in a equation second, what you will get? 2. What is y is equal to 1? 2x plus. What is the equation second? 2x plus y is equal to 13. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. This 1 is shifting to the right side, it become a minus 1, and therefore 2x is equal to 13 minus 1. So 2x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 6. So 6 comma 1. What is value of x? First you have to write here 6. Then what is the value of y? You have to write here 1. So 6 comma 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. So this equation is solved by the elimination method. Which elimination? This 2x term is eliminating here. How eliminating? By simply subtracting the equation. Understood? Now next. Question number 4th. 5m minus of 3n is equal to 90. 5m minus 3n is equal to 90. This is equation first. And second is m minus 6n is equal to minus of 7. Now first equation as it is. Here I solve this example by the substitution method. Means I am finding by using the equation second. I am isolating the equation second. After isolation, I will get the value of m is equal to 6n minus of 7. Listen, this first equation is as it is. This second equation I am isolated. After isolating the second equation, what we get? We get m is equal to 6n minus of 7. So substitute this value of m in equation first. Second equation we isolated. So after isolating, after finding the value of m, we have to substitute this value in equation first. Okay. After substituting, now listen, m is equal to 6n minus of 7. Why? Because this minus 6n shifting It come 6n, and this minus 7 is as it is. Okay, so now see, after substituting, what is the first equation? 5m minus of 3n is equal to 19. So this 5 in bracket, what you have to write? Instead of m, you have to write 6n minus of 7. So 6n minus 7 minus 3n is equal to 19. Now then 5 6 are 30n. 30n minus of 5 7s are 35 minus 3n as it is equal to 19. Just you have to solve this bracket. After solving the bracket, the like term you have to add it or subtract it. Now 30n minus of 3n, it is 27n, and 19, this minus 35 is shifting towards the right side. It become a 35, and therefore 27n is equal to 54, and n is equal to 54 by 27, that is equal to 2. So what is the value of n? Now after solving this equation, we got the value of n is equal to 2. Now substituting this n is equal to 2 in any equation. Listen, now student, you can choose first equation, second equation, or after isolation equation also. Okay students, so I am using here simple isolated equation because choose the simplest one. Always I am saying to you, means when the calculations are less, it is m is equal to 6. What is value of n? N is equal to 2. 6 2s are 12 minus of 7, and therefore m is equal to 12 minus 7, that is 5. M comma n is equal to 5 comma 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Understood? So this is done by the substitution method. Before one, that is third example, that also I solve by the elimination method. This is by the substitution method. You can choose any one, okay, according to your convenience. Now this one is a fifth question. In the fifth question, see beta, 5x plus of 2y is equal to minus 3 and x plus of 5y is equal to 4. Okay, so here also I am using the substitution because x having a coefficient 1. Okay, so x having a coefficient 1, and therefore I am using isolating the equation second. First equation is as it is. Second equation, x plus 5y is equal to 4. I am isolating, and after isolation, what we got it? X is equal to 4 minus of 5y. This just 5y is shifting toward the right side. So after getting the value of one variable by the isolation, this value you have to substitute in another equation. This value you have to substitute in another equation, that is equation first. Okay, after substituting equation first, simple calculation is there. What is the equation first? X value is 4 minus 5y. What is equation first? First equation is 5x plus of 2y is equal to minus 3. Okay, so what is x? 5 in bracket 4 minus of 5y plus of 2y is equal to minus 3. After calculating, now how to calculate? You know there are so many examples, always we are solving this. So simple, firstly solve the bracket, then add the like term, and then find out the value. So here 5 4s are 20 minus of 5 5s are 25y plus of 2y is equal to minus 3. So this 20 is shifting toward the right side, and this minus 25y plus 2y are the like term. So minus 25 plus 2 is minus 23. So minus 23y is equal to minus 23. So y is equal to 1, because minus 23 divided by minus 23, it become a 1. Now y is 1. Substitute the y is 1 in equation first or second, any one. Okay, from this any three equation you can choose any one. So x is equal to 4 minus 5 into 1. So 4 minus 5 is minus 1, and therefore x is minus 1 and y is 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Okay students, now next sixth question. This is also very simple. Listen student, in the question, if any variable having a fraction then make it simple. You can solve without simplification also, but it will become a some little bit complication, means it will be a hard to find out the subtraction or addition of a fraction. Okay, so because of that I choose this method. This one is the simplest one. Just when, what I am saying, when any variable having a coefficient a fraction. In the first equation, if you are observing, x having a coefficient is how, what? X having a coefficient 1 upon 3x. X having a coefficient 1 upon 3x. So 1 upon 3x plus of y is equal to 10 by 2. So 3 is left side also, right side also. Both have the fraction. So multiply the equation first by 3. Both side. Always remember, when you are multiplying, when you are doing any operation, you have to do operation on both the side. LHS also, RHS also. Now listen, multiplying both by 3. After multiplying the equation by 3, what you will get here? X. Because 1 by 3 into 3 is 1. So it x 1 by 3 x become x. Now y into 3, 3y. And 10 by 3 multiplied by 3 is also 10. So what is the equation? X plus 3y is equal to 10. Now isolate this equation because x having a coefficient 1. Now for isolation this equation, x is equal to 10. They just shift this 3y to the right side. So 10 minus of 3y. So 2x plus, now this is equation first. Or if you are putting here equation first, then here it is third one. Third and fourth you can choose. But the numbering should be different. Okay. Now I simplified first and then I given a equation first. Now 2x plus 1 by 4y is equal to 11 by 4. Multiply this equation by 4. After multiplying, what you will get? 2 into 4, 8x. 1 by 4 into 4 is 1. Therefore y. And 11 by 4 into 4 is 11. And therefore the equation become a 8x plus of y is equal to 11. After multiplying both side by 4. Okay. Now after multiplying the both side by 4. Now we have a two simple equation. Which one? One, after isolation, x is equal to 10 minus 3y. Now this x is equal to 10 minus 3y, you have to substitute in equation second. That is 8x plus y is equal to 11. Now what is x? X is 10 minus of 3y. Just concentrate here. This value we have to substitute in this. Okay. So at x is 10 minus 3y plus y is equal to 11. And after calculation, now how to calculate? Firstly solve the bracket, then add the like term and then shift the number and you will get the value of variable. So y is equal to 3. Now substituting y is equal to 3 in equation first because it is a simple one. So simply substitute this y is equal to 3 in equation first. What you will get? You will get 10 minus 3 into 3, that is 9. So is equal to 1. So x is 1 and y is 3 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now look towards the equation number 7. Listen students, when the like this question asked, then don't be do the addition, subtraction, anything. Don't think about the elimination and substitution method directly. Firstly, simplify this equation. When the coefficient of x is same in the second equation, coefficient of y. Now again I am repeating because question number this 7th and 8th is same. Listen here. When in the question number 7, first equation and second equation you observe, they are vice versa. Vice versa means a coefficient of x is 99 in first equation and in the second equation the coefficient of y is 99. Same coefficient of y of 101 is same in second x coefficient in a second equation. When like this situation come, firstly add both the equation. Which two equation? Whatever the given equations are there, you have to add. Now after adding these 99 plus of 101. How much it is? 200x. 101y upon 99y. How much it is? 200y. And addition of these two is 1000. Which two addition? 99x upon 101x. So total is 200x. This total is 200y. And addition of the 499 and 501 is 1000. Again we can simplify. How? Simply divide this equation by 200, because coefficient of x, coefficient of y is 200 and 1000 is also divisible by 200. So after dividing, what you will get? A simplest form of the equation, that is x plus y is equal to 5. That is x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. Now see, listen. X plus y is equal to 5. Now subtracting the equation third from first. Now listen. Second first I add. After adding, we will get x plus y is equal to 5. Now I am subtracting this equation first and second. Which equation I am subtracting? The equation first from second. The equation second from first or first from second. Anyway you can choose. Now listen. 99x plus of 101y is equal to 499. Okay. The second equation is 101x plus of 99y is equal to 501. So I am subtracting here equation first from second. Okay. Here it is a little bit mistake. First equation and then second I am subtracting. Now listen, what you will get? 99 minus 101. 99 minus 101. What you will get? 99 minus 101 is minus 2x. 101y, 99y is plus 2y. 499 minus 501 is 2, but minus 2. Now dividing both sides by the minus 2, what you will get? X minus y is equal to 1. So this one is the again simplest one. Listen, whatever given equation we are doing first addition of both the equation. We got x plus y is equal to 5, simplest equation. Then next time we are subtracting the equation. After subtracting, we got again x minus 1 is equal to 1. Now these two equations are very simplest form. Simply add this equation third and fourth. After adding, what you will get? The value of x. Why? X plus y is 5. X minus y is equal to 1. This y is cancel out. X plus x is 2x. Is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. So x is equal to 3. After getting the value of x is equal to 3, substitute this equation third. X plus y is equal to 5. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus of 3. So y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now the last question of this practice set 1.1. Listen, 49x minus of 57y is equal to 172 and 57x minus of 49y is equal to 252. Same equation like question number 7 just before we solve. Because if you are observing, see, the coefficient of x of first equation is equal to coefficient of y of second equation, and coefficient of y of first equation is equal to coefficient of x of second equation. Just add it. After adding, what you will get? X minus y is equal to 4. Then subtract it. After subtracting, you will get x plus y is equal to 10. So these two are the simplest form of the equation. Which two are the simplest form? Which two are? These two are the simplest form of the equation. This one and this one. These two equations, x minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 10. So simply adding this, you will get x is equal to 7. Substitute the value of x is equal to 7 in equation 4. This value you have to substitute. X is equal to 7 in equation. Okay. After substituting, what you will get? You will get y is equal to 3. So x is 7 and y is equal to 3 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. So today I explain whole practice set 1.1. With the session I will send a PDF file. With the help of PDF file you have to write all the examples in your notebook properly. Okay students, thank you. Today's session is finished here.